case is once again, my lord, an instance of the Banana Republic of West Bengal showing total indifference to the Constitution of India as well as, my lord, to the penal laws. Now, this is a very peculiar case where, my lord, a video was being circulating demonstrating, my lord, a helpless woman being mercilessly beaten up in a Taliban style, my lord, in a club, which is, my lord, in Aryadaho under the Barrackpur Police Commissionerate. Now, this particular, my lord, we have the video, my lord. It is something very inhuman.
Don't show. Yes, then?
Now, this particular video went viral on the basis whereof now we find the police have woken up from their deep slumber. Now, the police have registered a case stating that this incident dates back to 2021. This has circulated in the social media. As a consequence, there is this particular Bahubali, as they call nowadays, my lord, in this particular area who runs a parallel government, my lord, in Bengal.
Are you aware as to who clicked the video?
No, my lord, that we are not, my lord. We have, my lord, been successful, my lord. In the morning, they have uploaded the copy of the FIR. Now, in the FIR, I am a whistleblower, my lord. I am a boy, my lord, aged 19 years. I am a whistleblower. The video, my lord, circulated, my lord.
Where from did you get the video? It was already there? Was it already there?
Yes. It was circulated. It was circulated in the media also. It got circulated, my lord. Now, my lord, it was posted in the X handle, my lord, which was Twitter once upon a time, by a boy based in Birbhum. Now, immediately upon such circulation, my lord, the police called him up at the dead of night. The police called him up at around 10:30. This was Rampurhat police station, and asked him to immediately be present at the police station. So he asked about why, the necessity, or what is the case. The police said there is also, my lord, the conversation which has also gone viral, my lord. So this happened yesterday. And again, my lord, consequently, this happened day before yesterday. Now, that boy's mobile was also taken illegally by the police. No case registered, my lord. As I find now, my lord, from the notice which is under challenge here, now there is only one case which has been registered. That is, my lord, Belgoria PS case number 277 of 2024. Now, in Birbhum also, the police machinery, my lord, has activated itself parallelly without registering any case. Now, that particular boy, he was also, my lord, called. Thereafter, the force went at his place. He was brought to the police station. His mobile was also, my lord, confiscated, but not in an illegal fashion. From his mobile also, these are all pleaded also in the petition. His mobile, the chats, his right to privacy, my lord, it was completely intruded, my lord. And therefrom, my lord, possibly they found that there has been certain messages which have been exchanged between that boy in Birbhum and the petitioner herein. Now the police, my lord, at the most I am a whistleblower. Now the police starts calling me up, my lord, since yesterday, my lord, at 10:30, my lord. Calls up the petitioner, his father also. There were civic volunteers came to his place and asked that immediately come to the police station. What is the cause? Why? The reasons? Nothing furnished. Then finally they said that no, we will be going to our advocate. We will not be a party or a privy to these extra constitutional procedures. And we asked for the provision under which, my lord, the police can act in such a manner. But the police, the question is very, my lord, simple, my lord. The police is constituted under the Police Act. Now the police has to operate, my lord, within the four corners of the Police Act and the police regulations of Bengal and the police regulations of Calcutta. Here it will be the PRB, my lord, the police regulations of Bengal and the Police Act. Now, this particular, my lord, mode and manner in which, my lord, the police is acting, my lord.
Well, let me hear.
No, my lord, one more thing, my lord, is there, my lord. My lord, the notice, if my lord kindly takes up the notice, my lord, impugned. Now, my lord, last night, my lord, at around 11 o'clock, we have been finally served with a notice. The news went viral that this page 18, my lord, that this boy is being also parallelly harassed, my lord, like the boy at Birbhum, my lord, by the police. Now, thereafter, my lord, at 11 o'clock, this particular notice came, and I was summoned, my lord, at 11 hours, my lord, today. So, the notice, my lord, kindly appreciates, my lord, there is a mischief. There is something more than what the eyes see, my lord, here. My lord, kindly takes the reference, my lord, Belgoria PS case number 277 of 2024, dated 9/7/2024. Now, my lord, starts the mischief. under sections 341, 354, 326, 308, 506, 34 of IPC. On 9th of July 2024, my lord, IPC cases are being registered under the Indian Penal Code, my lord, which has been admittedly repealed. Now, the dichotomy, my lord, read with 126, 274, 1182, 1110, 351, subsection 2, 3, 3.3, and 3, subsection 5 of the BNS. Well, this is, my lord, I say, not as innocent as it seems. Because of the fact, my lord, now in the morning, my lord, the FIR has been uploaded, my lord. But kindly, my lord, takes a copy of the FIR. I am not named in the FIR in connection with which I was told. This is, my lord, a suo moto FIR. Please. This is a suo moto FIR. In submitting herewith the suo moto complaint against Jayant Singh, Shoikat Manna, Elias Jonga, Rahul Gupta, Suman De, Shondeep Shah, Guddu, Sandy, Raju, Bumba, Chotu and others, I, Showman Pal, Assistant Sub-Inspector of Police of Belgoria Police Station, would like to submit before your good office that on 8/7/2024, a video of assault over a person by a group of young people was found to be circulated widely on social medias like Facebook and WhatsApp. During primary inquiry, it could be learned that the incident was of the year 2021 of the month January-February. On detailed inquiry, it was unearthed that an incident of theft took place at the house of Rahul Gupta of Kedarnath Shingo Road, such and such, Post Office Aryadaho, Belgoria on January-February 2021, where two costly mobile phones amounting around rupees 1,80,000 in total were stolen by the unknown miscreant. Local people suspected upon one lady with a lap baby and one young person wearing long woolen cap, and they were detained at Aryadaho Taltola Sporting Club under Belgoria Police Station by the club members with local people. The above noted club members assaulted the detained young person very badly to recover the mobile phones at the said club. During the assault over the unknown young person, a video was recorded by the club members themselves through their mobile phones, and after years it was circulated widely on social medias like Facebook and WhatsApp, due to which, my lord, kindly marks this, a question aroused over law and order and justice. However, on consulting available police station records, it was found that no complaints in respect of mobile theft and assault upon the unknown person by club members were reported at this police station. On preliminary inquiry, it was found that the entire incident was conducted under the leadership of Jayant Singh. Under the circumstances, it is prayed before your good office that a specific case may kindly be started against Jayant Singh, Shoikat Manna, Rahul Gupta, Suman De, Shondeep Shah, Sandy, Raju, Bumba, Chotu and others under proper section of law and arrange for its investigation. Now, my lord, this particular Jayant Singh, my lord, he runs a parallel government in that area. He has already now, my lord, coming under public pressure, because there was another video also, my lord, which surfaced of this person mercilessly beating, my lord, two people on the open streets, my lord. Now the police has been constrained to register an FIR and take him into custody. Now, my lord, how the police is now siding with these wrongdoers, my lord. First of all, my lord, the police is waking up from their slumber after 3 years. The police themselves are admitting that this incident is up to 2021, but we did not do anything. We have only started registering a case after this video surfaced. On the contrary, my lord, deliberately, my lord, this mischief has been done. My lord, the IPC and the BNS, my lord, they have been, my lord, simultaneously, my lord, incorporated in a FIR in order to enable, my lord, these people who are named in the FIR, my lord, to, my lord, get an amnesty, my lord, so that, my lord, in any court of law, my lord, if this FIR is challenged, this is on the face of it, my lord, there is a clear bar under Article 20, Sub-Article 1 of the Constitution of India, my lord. But this cannot happen. This is a deliberate and conscious attempt of the police, my lord, to shield these wrongdoers who are operating a parallel government and who are running, my lord, this particular area, my lord, in a Talibani fashion, my lord. As if, my lord, this country or, my lord, this particular part of the state, my lord, is under the Sharia.
Yes.
No, and, my lord, we kindly appreciate one more thing, my lord. My lord, the club members till now have not been detained, my lord. On the contrary, my lord, I being the whistleblower, my lord, now I am being targeted. This is nothing but a targeted harassment, my lord. I have been threatened, my lord, also. The civic volunteers also came to my place.
Yes.
Yes.
Only on the merits, not on the not on the other things.
Sometimes I don't understand why so much needs to be said.
My lord, kindly see the video, then my lord will realize, my lord.
No, please don't show.
Nothing of what I am saying.
Yes.
I will try to restrict myself to the facts, absolutely without any adjective.
Yes.
An incident has recently happened where one person was sitting, I also have seen that video, was assaulting a lady. That case was started, case going on, everything. Now, another video of a separate incident of purportedly with the same person in the year 2021, no complaints of that were ever lodged, get into the social media. Again, another woman being beaten up. I saw it. When it comes to our notice, I started a case. Case is against whom? The people in the video, not anybody else.
And those people are named over here in the FIR. And the police could see and identify that these are the persons.
Some of them, yes, and others.
Yes, at least
Some of them, yes.
6, 7, 8, 9 of them were identified.
They are just some of them. They are not none of the petitioners over here before that. Now, who has posted this? This video was posted on Shumon Mondol posted this video on Twitter of an incident that happened in 2021. We questioned him first that from where did you get this? Because today, to investigate the case, I have to find out the authenticity of this video, the source of the video. He said, I've got it from the petitioner.
Somebody.
Petitioner.
From the petitioner. All right.
So I have sent him a notice what is erstwhile known as 160 and now I think 179, which is applicable to a witness. That from where do you... Today, if I am investigating a case about one Jain, whatever his name is, I have to have the authenticity of the video. And so much has been said. Anarchy, this, that, West Bengal. But I really don't understand the simplicity of why such a huge mountain has been made. Today, we have seen a woman, video is posted.
Are you sure that the witness will not be transformed or transposed to the accused?
This is only a 160 notice, 160 under the IPC.
Yes, I understand. Yes.
Only not to an accused. 160 notice can be given only
to the witness.
Yes.
But then it doesn't take much time for the witness to be transposed to an accused.
Not at all, because today the reason why this notice was given. But for a moment, Your Lordship, forget all the submissions made on behalf of the petitioner. I am telling Your Lordship, a notice under which was previously 160, now 179. I am still not comfortable with the change. But whatever notice for witnesses, that has been issued. But have I done anything? For once I say this, have I done anything wrong? Because if he today says, he says Prithviraj, whoever the petitioner, he says that I've got it from, say, Mr. Devansh. So then, I require to send a notice because I have to find out from somebody the authenticity. Today, I have started a FIR against.
But then why at the dead of the night you send the civic volunteer over there, come immediately and this, that?
I don't have. If they are not there,
well, we have the CCTV footages, my lord.
My instructions are that this equal to 160, 179 notice has been only for the purpose of authentication of the video and from where he has got it. Now, if he comes and says that he has got it from Amitesh Banerjee, the notice will be given to Amitesh Banerjee. Because today, if I start a case, I need to investigate that.
No, I understand. But then see, one thing, the IPC has been invoked, which could not have been.
The same problem that I face.
No, but then since we are doing it on regular basis, only for the purpose of keeping it by the side is all right. But you mentioned it of IPC. This law has been deleted. It's no longer there.
Your Lordship is right. Possibly
it's gone.
He has done it. It should have been otherwise. Let us not read so much. May I just finish? I never interrupt anybody. My only thing is, if Your Lordship sees the sections, all the equivalent ones are thereafter put.
Yeah.
The equivalent sections in the News Act have thereafter been put. It's not that any addition. My junior was just now comparing them. Whatever was in the past, 341, just one example, is 126.2. Like that, whatever is the previous one, along with the thing. But it should not have been there.
Yes, red will not do.
He should have done it in a piece of paper and not written in a formal FIR. But there is no, but everything can't be made into such a mountain, my lord. Today, to come to your lordships with even innocent today, I cannot. Today, FIR is against only the wrongdoers. He says he's the whistleblower. Let him see. Whoever notice has been given under section 179, which is equal to 160. Let him answer that notice. Let him see why this premature jump. Everything is wrong. But just making a statement in court is not enough.
Please come.
Video was circulated by the media. Only one,
I have that authenticity.
only one thing, Malad, that kindly appreciates, Malad. The FIR, Malad, what was submitted by Mr. Banerjee, Malad, kindly takes the complaint, Malad, the suo motu complaint for once, Malad.
Yes,
It is
you
not
read
about.
out.
It
You
is
read out.
Yes. No. Once again, Malad, it is not about the video. The police is stating that on detailed inquiry, Malad, this is the second paragraph. I'm reading from the second line. On detailed inquiry, it was unearthed. It has been unearthed that an incident of theft took place at the house of Rahul Gupta of Kedarnath Shingo Road, such and such, Aryadaho, on February 2021, where two costly mobile phones amounting around 1,80,000 were stolen by unknown miscreants. Local people suspected upon one lady with a lap baby and
No,
one
you
young
read out.
person.
What you want to show
I want
from here?
to demonstrate, my lord, that the video which has circulated has no relevance whatsoever because of the fact, sir, just a second, because of the fact that the police already in their complaint has said that they have conducted the preliminary inquiry in terms of, my lord, the law laid down in Lalita Kumari's case, and it is not only on the basis of the video. I would have realized, my lord, I would have understood that the contentions deserve, my lord, any proper response, my lord, in the event the suo motu complaint revealed that on the basis of the video which was circulated, we have registered such and such FIR. But no, the version is completely different. Since it is, my lord, relating to an incident
Of theft.
of 2021, my lord,
21.
there is a delay. So, my lord, kindly, my lord, recalls, my lord, the principles of Lalita Kumari, my lord, that in the event of delay, there has to be a preliminary inquiry. So, the police are also saying that we have conducted a preliminary inquiry. They have, my lord, they have examined people, my lord, the local people. The version of the local people, my lord, that has been recorded.
Very well. Since you claim yourself to be a whistleblower
I am
and
a
you have
whistleblower,
brought
but
this
one more
to the
thing.
notice of the public and the police also.
My lord, it was surfaced, my lord, in, my lord, a media, a regional, my lord, electronic media channel, my lord. So if the police...
So you are not the source. According to you, you are not the source.
Not only that, my lord, there is...
You didn't click the video.
Present there. It was clicked by club members, that is what it is being said. No, in the complaint, that is what is being said. But no,
See that.
there is one more issue, my lord. My lord, this particular practice which has been adopted, my lord, by the police authorities, my lord, in, my lord, calling up
Which
persons,
practice?
my lord, may kindly take, my lord, this is my specific case, my lord, which has been pleaded at para 6 of the writ petition, my lord.
Kindly affidavit and dispute that.
Yeah, wait, let me see what is there.
Yes. Para 6, my lord, the petitioner states that right after such video was posted on the social media on 9 July 2024 by one Shubham Mondal, was called by respondent number 7 to visit Rampurhat police station. It is important to note that the respondent authorities asked Shubham Mondal to come at midnight without any official notice. Upon questioning Shubham Mondal regarding the same, the respondent authorities, namely respondent number 7, behaved rudely and threatened action if said Shubham Mondal did not comply. It is apposite to mention herein that respondent number 7 forcibly took over the mobile phone of Shubham Mondal and started checking the private chats of Shubham Mondal without any authority of law. He looked through the chat between the petitioner and the Shubham Mondal from the phone and specifically told him that now they will go after the petitioner number 1 and instill a sense of fear among any person who tries to show the ruling dispensation in a negative light. Thereafter, my lord, para 7 and para 8. The petitioner states that consequently...
Wait, please wait.
And my lord, we have, my lord, the CCTV footages, my lord, demonstrating, my lord, the civic police volunteers, my lord, coming at my place. And ওটা তো বলেছি জজ সাহেবকে যে ক্লাব মেম্বাররাই রেকর্ড করে। And what I'm seeking,
The petitioner is aggrieved by the
yes, I'm
notice.
praying for a stay on the notice, my lord, and I'm also praying for I'm also praying, my lord, for an
10th
investigation, my
July
lord, the
2024.
investigation to be transferred to the CBI, my lord, because, my lord, the motive...
Issued under section 179 BNSS. Stop. This said notice has been issued in connection with the Belgoria PS case number 277/2024 dated 9th of July 2024. Stop. The sections mentioned in the notice are, এটাকে কপি করবেন তো 341 থেকে এতটা পর্যন্ত। ঠিক আছে। The petitioner has been informed to appear before the Sub-Inspector of Police, Belghoria PS, on 11th July 2024 at 11 hours. Stop. Next. At the time of making arguments, learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that the formal first information report has been uploaded in the portal and the said FIR has been produced in court. Stop. The same is retained with the records. Stop. Along with the FIR, there is a suo motu complaint of one Showman Pal, claiming to be the Assistant Sub-Inspector of Police, Belghoria Police Station, signed on 9th of July 2024. Stop. Next. The name of the petitioner neither appears in the FIR nor in the complaint filed by the Assistant Sub-Inspector of Police, pursuant to which the FIR was registered. Stop. Next. The petitioner has averred in the writ petition that a video was posted in the social media on 9th July 2024 by one Shubham Mondal, SUBHAM, paragraph number 6. Who was called to the police station, and the police forcibly took the mobile phone of the said Shubham Mondal and started checking the private communications made by the said person. Stop. As communication between the said Shubham Mondal and the petitioner was found in the phone, accordingly, the petitioner has been summoned to the police station.
But may I just make one submission? This entire averment is said in paragraph 6.
Yes.
Paragraph 6 is affirmed as what? Information.
Information.
To knowledge.
The information is the way. Shubham
What is the knowledge? What is the information based on record?
Shubham Mondal থেকে পেয়েছি।
কি বললাম? Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner apprehends coercive steps may be taken against him because he has played the role of a whistleblower and has brought the high-handed attitude of the police in the notice of the general public. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents submits upon instruction that the petitioner has been summoned to the police station only as a witness. The police intends to conduct an inquiry with regard to the investigation, not an inquiry, investigation as regards the video that is doing the rounds. Stuff. Next. It has been submitted that a formal notice has been issued to the petitioner and he ought to comply with the same. Paragraph.
And would you like to record one more submission of mine? And that, this is an effort by which the accused will go scot-free if until we are able to fix the authenticity of this. This writ petition is on that basis.
The police intends to find out the authenticity and the source of the video that has gone viral. Stop. Without the cooperation of the petitioner, it will be difficult for the police to investigate the matter and to nab the culprits.
Now the submissions run completely contrary to what is there in the suo motu complaint.
Paragraph. From the records that are placed before the court, it appears that the petitioner is not an FIR named accused and no complaint till date has been lodged against him. Stop. The petitioner has been summoned as a witness. Stop. The case, the investigation of the case is yet to start. Stop. The police appears to have conducted a preliminary inquiry and also a detailed inquiry with regard to the video, and the complaint of the police records that the incident is of the year 2021. Stop. Next. It may not be proper to interfere with the investigation at this stage. Stop. Next. The petitioner is accordingly directed to cooperate with the police for the purpose of investigation. Stop. The police is, however, restrained to take any coercive steps against him without the leave of the court. Next. File your opposition?
Yes, but I will file mine because these are statements which are
rebuttable.
And I'll also want the point for transfer of investigation to the CBI.
Wait. The respondents are directed to file their affidavit in opposition within a period of 4 weeks. Reply, if any, within a fortnight thereafter. Liberty to mention.
Grateful. But may I file the affidavit of service?
Please. Affidavit of service is taken on record.
But there is one more prayer that I will be making, a report with regard to the progress of the main case also be submitted on the next day.
They will file their opposition. File the opposition along with the progress report.
Yes. And
within a period of 4 weeks.
May I just say this?
The time has come to issue a direction upon the DGP of West Bengal to issue a circular to all the police stations to comply with the law whenever they intend to call someone, not by sending civic volunteers.
This prayer was made in the morning also. Mr. Banerjee was there, but the Supreme Court direction is very clear. What is to be done? The guidelines.
Not only there is a direction of the DGP also.
Even then,
misconducts happen. Where misconducts don't happen.
But then if this misconduct is on regular basis.
It is a harassment of citizens.
Where
kindly
misconduct is such, I make it a point. We talk to superior officers and make sure.
Please do.
I don't spare anybody.
A 19-year-old boy, he is being intimidated by the police.
But then it is better not to spread all these things.
No, because kindly appreciate, kindly appreciates, the police is finally waking up. Now they are constant to register a case. The video, if your lordship goes to the video, it's heinous, it is grotesque.
Personal appearance মামলা আছে কত নম্বর আইটেম
with your lordship's leave.
এটাকে তো উপর দিকে তুলে দেবেন আজকে তো